Here's an update for the rescue house. In our last video on the garage, we were tearing it apart. Actually, we were putting the beams in. So we got the beams put in and we re-insulated. We put the garage door openers back in place. We added a little bit of lighting because of the beams. We had to separate some of the lights out, and so we added 3 more just to kind of compensate for dark spots. Added a few plugs in the walls and installed our 5/8 inch Type X sheetrock tape bed and textured, and here we are. This is the end result, and it looks really good. And the ceiling for the first time actually looks flat, which before had a big sag in it. Upstairs, where we fixed the ceiling, the floor is flat. So all is good in the garage, and we're ready to paint it, clean it up, and they can start using it whenever they want.